Going back to Rosalinda and Steve, the husband of Tita Rossi or Rosalinda is in the stage right now. He is now on Yahoo Messenger watching us. To give you an idea, we'd like to inform you, dear cousins, that the sons or the names of the sons of Tita Rossi are Emmanuel, Edgar, Edwin, and Emily. And she has already 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, correct? 7 grandchildren. Okay. So, and my mom, we are 4 in the family. I'm the eldest, Benzi. Second to me is Zoida. Third is Zerly. And fourth is Beverly, who's now in Dubai. And meron akong pamangkin, Zoida and Roy is the husband, he's also here. And meron akong pamangkin, Daniela, Miguel, Simon. And also, meron din ako anak, nagkaanak din ako. And nandito si JR. JR, tayo! Dali! Yeah, si JR is my eldest. Hindi na alam niya. So, okay. So, ngayon, yung pangatlo, sumunod sa kay Mami ay si Ravinio and Lourdes. So, si Tito Remy at si Tita Lourdes nasa stage right now. And meron siyang anak, si Kuya George and si Ate Marites. And meron siyang apo, si Reggie, OG, Cherry, at si Jimbo. Okay. So, ito, ating pangalawang tita na nandito again sa Pilipinas ngayon. Tawagin ko, si Tita Lad o si Milagros Landi. Tita Lad.